Good evening, everyone. I am Elizabeth and I'm with
Naomi.
Today we are going to present on computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to all the physical components of the computer that you can see and touch.
Thank you, Lizzie. A computer hardware can be divided into different categories. The first category is input device, which are used to enter data into the computer.
Examples of input device include the mouse, the keyboard, scanner, microphone. These devices allow users to interact with the computer easily.
Moving on, we have output devices. These are devices that display or produce results from the computer after processing. Common examples of computer devices are the monitor, printer, and the speaker.
Now let's talk about one of the most important components of the computer, the central processing unit, which is also known as the CPU. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it processes instructions and controls all operations.
Another important component is the random access memory, or RAM. RAM stores data temporarily while the computer is running.
It's also important to note that the RAM is different from the storage. RAM is temporary while storage devices keep the permanent for the future use. It is important to know that the RAM is different from the storage. RAM is temporary while storage devices keep data permanently for future use. Examples of storage devices include hard disk drive, which is known as HDD, and solid state drive, which is also known as SSD.
Next, we have the motherboard, which is the main circuit board that contains all the components of the computer together.
Without the motherboard, the different hardware components will not be able to communicate or function properly.
In conclusion, computer hardware includes input devices, output devices, the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and the motherboard. Each component plays an important role in ensuring that a computer works efficiently. Understanding computer hardware helps us know how a computer operates and how to use them effectively.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. See
See
you
you
next
next
time.
time.